How to take screenshot on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to take a screenshot on Windows 11. It's super simple and in just few steps, you will be able to capture anything on screen. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the interface or the screen that you want to take a screenshot of. This could be a folder, file, or even a web page. For example, let's say I want to capture a screenshot of our Apple website. So once you have opened the page, simply press the combination keys of Windows key plus Shift plus S on the keyboard, and when you press this keys, the screen will dim and you will see a snipping tool control appearing at the top of the screen. Now cursor will change into the crosshair, so simply click and drag to select the area of your screen that you want to capture. And once you have selected the area, the screenshot will automatically be copied on your clipboard. And now to save your screenshot, you can open any image editing app like Paint, and once you are inside the application, you can simply press Ctrl plus V to paste the screenshot. And once you have done that, again press Ctrl plus S to save your image and choose where you want to store it and simply click Save. And that's it. That's how you can take a screenshot and save on Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.